Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fake Instagram when the real icon is not showing. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Instagram app. And now you can see right here at the bottom part, you can see the real button, right? So if in your Instagram you cannot see that, I'm here to teach you or help you with that, okay? So the first way that you can do is to go on your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. And you need to make sure that you updated your app, okay? So if the button says update, you need to update your application. And the second way that you can do is to long press on your app and click remove app, and then just go ahead and install it again. And if that doesn't work, I want you to do is to click on your Instagram, go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen, click on the menu button or the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen, and click on settings and privacy, account center, and here you want to click add more accounts. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.